Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share 7 mind-blowing websites you probably didn't know they existed. Before we get started, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification to stay aware of our latest videos uploaded on this channel. Alright, so let's get started. The first one here on board is Whiteboard. When you go to whiteboard.com, you can start drawing and explaining anything. Let's say you are on a Zoom call. Just simply take out the little pencil, which is down here, and then start drawing and explaining anything you want. Here, I can try to draw something. So it's really easy. Okay. When I also tried to draw a circle here, what I really liked is it's actually it can make it perfect circle. So you can change it. Yeah, like this. Yes, so you can actually change the pencil tool, line tool, text tool, eraser, undoing, or even changing the color. So it's all it's a really handy website. Second website is Blush. I can't believe how I didn't know that this website existed. Actually, what you can do is you can tell your stories using illustrations, and it goes even further. You can customize the illustrations too. Let me explain. By going to illustrations, choose the category. Let's say work, and you're trying to explain something or use this in your presentation. Let's say we're going to select this here, and then we can actually customize from the carpets, from the lamps to the popcorns to the teacups, changing the pet, whatever, so you can even click on the actual person. You can also customize it even further. So yeah, we can even change hair color, skin colors. We can do almost everything, so it's really cool and I pretty much like it. And then in the end, once you're done with this all stuff, by changing background or whatever, you can download this PNG and then just save it on your computer so you can use it afterwards. The next one is Card. Have you ever thought of designing and installing theme and plugins that overwhelms you? Well, there's a simple and easy to use tool called Card. Simply put, if you use Card, you can create simple, free, fully responsive one-page sites for pretty much anything, or state on your website. I can just create it literally in 2 minutes by simply choosing one of the templates and just write. Choose any element, let's say in the background, change the color, change the types, patterns, whatever, and then once you're done, you can then just easily publish it. Yes. The next site we have here is WhatRuns. Have you ever visited a site and wonder what platform is this site using, what fonts or whatever, what themes, what plugins are installed on the website? Well, there's a tool or more a browser extension called WhatRuns. Okay, so here what we can do is let's take this website, digitalmarketing.com. And you're curious to know what platforms are they using. Simply hover over and then here you can just see everything, right? So CMS platform, in this case of course it's everything is covered, so it's really cool. The next site here is Cover. This website allows you to download free stock videos that you can use on your YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Instagram, and whatever. We can actually, we can search, we can go through different categories. Now the thing is actually, you can just download and use those YouTube videos. What happens with, because here comes a concern like if it is free, or what happens if about the copyright. So the cover call states that you can use it for commercial or personal use and you don't need to credit or actual credit of the video. So it's a really cool website in my eyes. The next one here is Flourish. It's going to allow you to turn your data into beautiful graphs and charts like what you're looking on the right side here on the screen. It's animated. It looks really cool. You can choose from dozens of different templates, and you've got these project maps. There are also scatter maps. Yeah, so it's looking really cool. If you have any data that you want to present, then just Flourish is the perfect tool for it. Yeah. Once you're done with your graph, you can just do export, and it will be just like, you know, a presentation. So the next tool is Untools. While we're on the subject of charts and graph, it's Untool. Whether you're a CEO in a top firm or you're a student, it's going to help you figure out what frameworks to use. So by going through some of these frameworks, you can figure out which ones are right for your situation. Let's say you want to look at the design from a different perspective. You can use 6 thinking hats decision frameworks. So then you know how to apply it to this situation. One of my favorite productive frameworks is. I hope you find these videos really beneficial, and please subscribe to our channel for learning more.